Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 22. I'm going to start off by talking about last week's trades and then jump into what I have set up for next week. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video so you can stay up to date on all of my trades every week. So jumping into this week's trades, I was selling a cash secured put on Moderna. And originally I was selling this at the 129 strike price. So that would be right here where this red line is for a max profit of $340. And I sold this last Friday on the 18th. And as you can see, on Monday and Tuesday, the price started to drop. And because the price started to drop, I decided it was probably a good idea for me to mitigate some of the loss and roll this position down. So what happened was I ended up buying back the cash secured put and then selling another cash secured put at the $125 strike price. So let me go ahead and move this line there. And the way this works is I sold the first put for $340. I had to buy back the put for $704 because the price dropped, but I was able to sell the $125 strike price for $411 for a net profit of $47. So it's a lot lower than the $340 that I was originally set up to make, but it helped mitigate the loss, assuming that Moderna continued to drop lower. So pretty happy about that decision and rolling out this position. And as you can see here, the price kind of stayed around that price point, but finished below 125. And because the price finished below 125, I am going to get assigned 100 shares at the $125 price, which kind of sets up my trade for next week, which is selling a call against the shares that I'm going to get assigned at the $125 strike price for a max profit of $390. So basically, I'm going to have 100 shares of Moderna, and I am selling a call against it at the 125 strike price for a max profit of $390, which is approximately 3.1% profit, expiring next Thursday. So for me, hopefully Moderna stays close to the $125 price point. If it goes above 125, I still get to keep my $390 and I get my shares taken away from me. If it goes below or stays below, I get to keep my $390, but I'll still have some sort of unrealized loss for holding the stock. But as always, similar to the Peloton position, I'll just keep selling calls against it until the price comes back up. And that's what I have set up for next week. Hopefully, best case, Mrna stays right around the $125 price point. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of my trades. See you next week.